This is my first official order.
Hot damn, hot water, hot shower. Hot Atlanta smoking green cauliflower. Tangerine, yeah, I call it sweet and sour. And my lawyer say it's urgent, I'ma call him in an hour.
I'm just gonna be vlogging today because it's gonna be a busy day. It's how focus. Thank you. It is 2 days until my release of my brand, and I still need to print out labels. My lips is dry as hell. I woke up, I took a shower, listening to Erykah Badu. Literally, if I want to have a productive, great day, I play her in the morning. She's just a whole vibe, okay? So I just applied on my Nutty lip oil. So this is like really thin as coconut flavored. You should start the day with a cup of water. Healthy skin, healthy life. Apple cider vinegar supplements. First, these are very dramatic lashes. Y'all can see the difference between my two eyes. Very dramatic. These are probably my favorite ones. I had so many issues trying to freaking print out the labels. I had to do every single one all over again, especially because they weren't like set up right. Why is there so many fucking cars on campus? Who is on my campus? Get out. Don't even go here. I see a friend. Hi.
How are you?
Temple's best cheerleader.
Oh, I'm on my way to practice.
Yeah, I'm on a rush.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. So, I'm really done. Can't hear anything. I did some of the labels in the wrong template. Okay, I'm almost done. So, yeah, they look like this. I'm so freaking excited because I got my first order. Woo-hoo. I'm just so grateful, so excited. I was waiting for that one order to really, like, you know, make me feel better about opening a business and stuff. Along the way, just learning like what are the tactics to getting people to really buy, because nobody's on an urgency to buy nothing, you feel me? Like, you can have a great product, but what is really gonna urge people to really want to buy from you? We're learning, we're doing okay, we're learning, we're growing, whatever. So I'm basically gonna just start the process. This is my first time making an order, so y'all just gonna fail along with me, succeed along with me, learn along with me. So I got my laptop here. It's all of the payment information down there, all of that. They paid their taxes. Okay, we're doing great. So now I'm gonna press, oh, hold on. I have not turned on my label maker yet, whatever, because every time I turn it on, it wastes like 3-4 labels. So I wanted to like turn it on when I'm starting to make orders. And look what it's about to do. Look what it's about to do. Bitch. I can print the packing slip as well. They got a Hunty lip scrub. Boom. She got a Bubble OG lip gloss. Boom. And she got a Nutty lip oil. Boom. I need a mailing bag, a bubble mailer. I'm gonna be using one of these bags. I'm sorry I look crazy, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I need to get a business card. I'm just gonna drop it in there. Oh, I'm so excited. And I'm just gonna pick out a little bit. So I basically put in the paper shreds. Boom. And now I'm gonna put everything that she ordered. So we have the lip oil. We have the lotion. And we have the lip scrub. Packaging weight, bubble mailer. This is the right bubble mailer. Then I have to insert the total weight of my package. So, and this is 2 ounces altogether.
20 minutes later.
And press print. Make sure everything is in the right settings and print. Ah! I'm so excited. This is my first real label I've ever printed. And then I'm gonna print the packing slip out as well. You don't have to print out a packing slip, but I would like to so they could see like you got your order. You feel me? You got what you asked of me. So there ain't no problem. Beautiful. So now I remove that. I'm going to detach. So I have not closed my package yet. I'm going to insert the shipping label just like this. I'm gonna place it behind since it's not that important. And I'm gonna insert it facing here, so when they take out the package, it's facing you. Look at her. She's ready to be mailed, yes. And now I'm gonna take the label and place it. Looks good like that. I bought these straight off like where I made my eyelash labels. So in the future I'm gonna buy more expensive ones. Well, not expensive, but like larger size ones. And then yeah, so I just put my little sticker there. This is what the front looks like. Now I just have to take this to the post office or any type of drop off. And my order is complete. This is my first official order. I'm so excited, so happy. Like, this is a very happy moment. Like, thank you so much to my first customer. She know who she is. I hope she watching this video and be like, yeah, that's me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Peace. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications so you're notified any and every time I upload a new motherfucking video, okay? Alright, now y'all can go. Bye.